Hello everyone, Dan again here. It's another video for you. This time it's going to be on order strategies and tips for the order strategies. So what we have to do first is open up that part of the program. So we go to the Blue Water window, our main Blue Water window, go to Trading, and then Order Strategies. Okay, you can minimize that. And this pops up. Now if you don't have an arrow here at Entry, it means you don't have any order strategies. So I do, I've got a bunch, of course. But if you don't have any, but you know that you loaded order strategies from me into the correct folder inside of Blue Water, it's not going to trigger any trades. So what you have to do is anywhere in this white section here, right click and go to Load, and then go to the name that is not in the list, highlight it, and then click Open. Mine are all open already, but then that would be open and then you'll see it in the list. Now if you highlight it, whoa, and it's red like that, you want to make sure you update it, basically making it work properly. I'm going to check them all now. I'm glad that happened. Matter of fact, you could do this maybe every morning or so, just to make sure none of those are red. Okay, we're all good there. Okay, so it again, right click here and click Load, and then it will come up inside your computer, of course. However, if you click, let's say, Long Entry, and in the drop-down box it's not showing up, well, there's just a little glitch that's going on. It should show up. If it doesn't, simply save your layout and reboot Blue Water, and when it comes back up, it'll be there. I promise. Okay. Now another thing that, oh, and by the way, I've been on a couple of your computers recently and noticed that a lot of you did not have it loaded. So please check that no matter what. No matter who you are, please go ahead and check it. And I'll say that in the room and in an email here pretty soon. Another thing, if you click, let's say, ES Scalp 123 here, and there's the post session, or actually the night session is on right now, and you click Long Entry and it doesn't work, it's not broken. Short Entry, it's not working. The reason for that is that first of all, there's multiple different ways that the order strategy can be triggered. I really focus on, mainly anyways, on two. So let's talk about that. We're going to bring back up the order strategy window over here on the right. Okay, and then we're going to look at ES Scalp 123. And it reads here, this is how the order gets fired. It reads specified price. Now, if you're using Karnak and you want to get into, say, a fast entry on the purple line or sell the top of the tube, what you want to have there is last price. Last price. Okay, then click Update. The reason is that when it gets there, that's the last price and it'll fire off a trade. When it reads specified price, like it does for FT Karnak, meaning floor traders, I should have called it Golden Nugget Karnak, Golden Nugget ES, or Golden Nugget Dow, Gold, NASDAQ, whatever the case may be. That is triggering off of a specific amount of volume at the bottom of the channel to buy, or specific amount to short at the top. So do not change all of your order strategies simply because you think they should all be the same. Someone did that once and it was a mistake. So that's why I bring it up. But on these FT Karnak, it should read specified price. Golden Nugget, okay, it doesn't matter what it is. Golden Nugget, NASDAQ, specified price. That's necessary to fire on the proper volume to buy or sell. The manual, let's say manual scalps or manual 1, 2, 3, whatever it may say for the ES, that would need to be last price because it's not looking for a specific amount of volume. And the tube ES, to buy or sell the machine learning tube, would also be last price. If you tried to tie it in with with specific volume at the top to get short or at the bottom to buy, you're never going to get. It won't work. It's narrowed in too much. There would be no trades. Okay, so leave those the way they are, specified and last price, the way I just mentioned. Now, some of you may have oil. This is very specific now, folks. So those of you who trade oil, it reads specified price here. So if you have oil in your strategy builder loaded for long or short entry, that is going to be looking for, you know, your fast entries for trending trades, and it really needs to be last price. So please check that if you trade oil, last price, and click update, and you're good to go. Okay, so that is a short video on how to load your order strategies, and then some tips on last price or specified price and what it exactly means. Hope it helps. Please check them out. Okay, I thought I was done with the video, but we're back. I think I want to mention one more thing here. You could see that I have two different order strategies here, ES Scalp 1, 2, 3 and ES Scalp 2. Again, maybe yours reads manual scalps or manual 1, 2, 3. It doesn't matter. That would mean that you have the last price in there rather than specified price, meaning the manual part. But let's say you're ready to trade live. You've traded and you're ready to go. You've done well on the simulator, but you don't want to trade 3s or 6s or 9s and then exit in percentages 1/3 at a time, and you just want to trade a 2-lot, or maybe you want to exit in 50% of maybe 4s, whatever the case may be. You just don't want to do it in thirds. Well, all you would do is, like, to use this, highlight it, right click and click copy. Okay, that's going to show up down here, copy. Okay, and if you want to make changes, like for example, you want to exit in 50%. So you might want to, now what you would do is, first of all, you're going to give it a new name. Say ES 50% exits. Okay, so update that, changes the name, and then we're going to choose the middle one, for example, and right click and click delete. Okay, and now on these others we don't want to have a percentage of 33%, so we go to 0.5, click update, 0.5 again, click update, and presto, you have a new order strategy that took you all of 10 seconds to make. Okay, and then your trailing stop is still going to be the same 8 ticks. It's going to move up very quickly after the first target is filled, hopefully so that if you get a quick reversal you don't have a big loss, you break even, plus a cup of coffee, and then if it really goes, you've got the bigger target there. Okay, simple, easy peasy. Just thought I'd throw that in there at the end. Okay, there's a tip for you. Trade well.